Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to get your money back for every item that are pass out of shipping time on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the special bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here now. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, click on here to go to your profile account. Then it's going to take you right here. For every item that are ready for shipment and successfully paid for, is going to be found right here on your profile. So click on here. So it's going to take you right here. And this is where you see all items due for shipment. So for you to locate an item that is timeout for shipment, what you need to do is to click on here. Then it's going to take you right here. So here you see all items that is timeout for shipment. As a result of that, you can easily go ahead and get your money back in 1688. So for that, what you need to do is to click on here. And this is going to pump up. Go ahead and click on here. And this is going to pump up. Go ahead and click on here. And the refund will be successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to close this pump up. By the time you refresh this page, the product will no longer be here. The next thing you want to do is to click on here to go back to your profile. Refresh your profile, the product will no longer be here also. Finally, you have to confirm your refund successful into your Alipay account or your bank card. So in this tutorial, I use Alipay for the payment. Next thing I'm going to do is to exit from my profile right here and go ahead and open up my Alipay right here. So just like what you see right here, this is a transaction alert in Alipay now. So what we want to do here now is to go ahead. So what we want to do here now is to go ahead and click on my service message right here. And go ahead to my notifications. And here we go. We have refund notice right here. Click on few details. Then we have a successfully refunded or 51 yen back to my Alipay from 1688 right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship, import products from China using 1688, Pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba or AliExpress or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.